Now, meteorologist Cameron Saliga and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, as we look at your forecast through the nighttime tonight, we drop down into those 40s or into the lower 40s as we go into the next several hours. We still do have the clouds outside, and we'll be dealing with them through the nighttime. And as we head into your morning hours, we start off right around 38 degrees. It's going to be a cloudy one as we end the weekend off with those temperatures. Tomorrow getting up to around 50 or so degrees again as we go to those afternoon hours. So a pretty mild day outside, well above average for this time of year, especially those highs. As our high today got up to 54 degrees. I'm not quite sure why it is blinking right now, but it is well above average. The low 44 degrees, and that is also well above average. Rainfall we had right around a half an inch here at the Dayton International Airport. And we're going to track out to your rainfall totals through the daytime today. This is from midnight until currently, and we saw around a half an inch here in Dayton, just down to the south. In Springboro, right around 4/10. It's the same for Springfield, Urbana, right around 3/10 of an inch, and right near that half-inch mark there in Wilmington. And as we look through your lows tonight, getting down to around the freezing point up to the north in places like Salina, Wapakoneta, Troy at 36, and that's going to be much of the same as you move further south here into the southern Miami Valley, with temperatures getting down to the upper 30s, possibly right around 40 degrees as you move further south. So what will you need as you head up the door tonight? You don't need the sunglasses. The sun has already gone down, but you do need the jacket outside. Temperatures are going to be mild, but you still do need to bundle on up. And as we look through the daytime, those clouds were abundant on the Starter Center time-lapse camera. This was in Troy. You saw some rain on and off, but now as the sun goes down, you actually see some clearing in those clouds, but it won't last too long because we'll have more clouds on the way. And the live Doppler 2 HD, no rain to speak of. That all came through as we went through those morning hours, as we saw those showers now moving off to the east into the portions of eastern Ohio and into parts of Pennsylvania, and off to the west. We do have a little short wave there all the way up into parts of the north, but we're not going to be seeing any rainfall from that. But we do see some clouds moving in from the west, and those will be here as we go through your night. And right now it's 44 degrees, dew point at 40, northwest winds at 5 miles per hour, and temperatures right now near 50 in Wilmington. And as you look further up to the northwest, it is much cooler. 39 there into Minster, 41 Wapakoneta, 40 in Greenville, 47 into Springboro. Now, tracking long term, this is our next system that we are going to be tracking out. Tomorrow, we see the clouds as we start your morning off outside, and we could even see a light shower there in the afternoon as that system does pass, but we're really not expecting it. We could see a very light shower at the most, but we'll see those cloudy skies continuing into the afternoon. Overnight, cloudy skies out there, and then as we go into your Tuesday, that is when we expect to see those showers roll on through here in the Miami Valley, starting into your Monday night and going into Tuesday. We'll have severe weather down into the southern United States. Here, though, we don't have the instability, and we're just going to be seeing some showers here and there. 36 for your low tonight, cloudy but quiet, with those winds only getting up to around 10 miles per hour. And tomorrow we get up to 53, 54 degrees, mostly cloudy. We do have those light showers possible as we go into the afternoon, but they would be very light at that. And over the next 7 days, we have those chances again going into your Monday night and into Tuesday of showers. Temps in the 60s, but they fall off quickly, near normal, going into the second half of the week. Riley?